Hi everybody! So today is Monday, January 11th. Here's the homework. Like you know, the homework is in WhatsApp, right? So we have two homeworks. Homework 1 is here, and homework 2. Homework 1, you are watching the video now. Good job. And for homework 1, use the pink paper, page 9. Right? So here I have the pink paper, page 9. Right? Here you can see. Oops, it's page 9. Yes. So, we will use the pink paper, page 9. Listen and write the missing letters. So part 1, listen and write the missing letters. Number 1, came. Came. You write the missing letters. Came. For example, came. Yep. Number 2, late. Write the letters. Late. Okay, I will not show you. You finish and send me a photo. 3, same. 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 4, state. 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 5, take. 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 6, blame. 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 6, blame. 7, bake. 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 Number 7, bake. 8, state. 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 Number 8, state. Number 9, trace. 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 Number 9, trace. Number 10, rake. Rake. Number 10, rake. Alright, good job. If you need to listen another time, watch the video again and finish everything, part 1, page 9. Take a photo and send it to Vic. For part 2, listen to these words. For part 2, listen and write the whole word. Okay? It's up to you. Listen and write the whole word. Alright? Number 1, plane. 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 Number 2, plan. 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 Number 3, sane. 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 Number 3, sane. Number 4, insane. 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 Number 4, insane. Insane. Number 5, Sam. 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 Number 5, Sam. Alright, last one, number 6, same. 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 Number 6, same. Alright, that's it. Listen again if you need to. And remember, homework 2, listen to the voice message from Vic here, listen, and read the story. So homework 2 is practice reading the story of Sam and Adam, right? Read the story. Practice again. 4 times, 5 times. Practice reading, listening, reading, listening. When you are ready, make a voice message for Vic, right? And remember the voice message in WhatsApp, right? You can find the voice message right here. And you hold it and make a message. And Adam came to the US from Africa 2 years ago, for example. His daughter, Sam, came 6 months ago. Okay? Like this. Send me the message. I will listen. And I will help you next on Wednesday. Alright, take care. Good luck.